Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, maybe I'm saying things. Urata is even pale now. We are true Salapekot. Yeah, guys, at 80 years old. It's wrong, guys. I think we are the only ones, South Africans, that have done such. And keeping 80-year-old men to head a high profile case case and it's actually not even treated as such. But yeah, that's a guys 80 years old guys. Guys, it's so wrong in so many ways. We are the only ones. We will never have you ever seen anything like this? Maybe in the US or in London or something like that. Hi guys, it's wrong. I said he must do gardening now. He's ready for that. He's been though. But he wants to wake up and come to that court every day. That's guys, it's so wrong in so many ways. Ngapha uBaloyi is forcing Ntanzi down the throat izinto ezingekho right, bank records, kusayina abanye abantu. Guys, uKininda lezinto lezi. When did he get all this information, uKininda? Yo, Kininda has time. Oh my gosh, he has people who are criminals like him. I'm just like, who even allows such? You know? Oh, hi, Kininda Shem, guys, he's done his thing, eh? Shuntanzat, no, those are not my signatures. They look like them. So which means they are forging them. When is Balak gonna be arrested, guys, for that? When? You know? It's wrong. Ngapha, it's so hard for Jonas uvele end up interpreting into zakhe and he can't take accountability to a point where now he is lashing out on Athene Ramusipile, went crazy on him. And then Ramusipile was like, bro, please just calm down. Why emotional? I was just like, Jonas, interpret what's wrong with him now. Ubalo has tried everything in the book. It's not working, guys. These things that Ubalo is trying. Now he's busy with bank records. I'm just like, guys, it's not working. Just stop. You know? Give it up, Baloi. Try something else now. This one, I say, means and Untanzi uyamtshela uBaloyi where to get off, eh? Umtshela kuzokuba buhlungu kumina for uBaloyi. You know, uBaloyi, Brigadier Kininda, they actually created their own bank statements from I don't know where. Because Untanzi is arguing that he does actually have a loan with the Capitec. He even said it yesterday. I do have a loan with Capitec. Yeah, but in your bank statements, Capitec was like bank statements are good to WhatsApp and Ubaloyi feels Untanzi is lying. I'm just like, bro, please. Where's the loan? Can the loan show? We have you lying. You went to Ganongoma and on the day, on Saturday, when you came, finally you had like a ceremony that you were gonna do at home, but you went into town and you went to the bank at your limit. Why is the limit not showing? Ntanzi is like, I can't help you.
Noma kwakuyinkulumo yommeli wakho ethi esho lokho kulandelayo inkantolo izokhumbula ukuthi sicela ulwazi ngoba ngitsheliwe-ke umsolwa ukuthi nge-25 October 2015 sabe sishock ukuthi bekufanele kube u-2014 nayo 2015 ukuthi-ke kukhona-ke okwenziwa phecelezi-ke ama-transaction akhombisayo ashoyo ukuthi-ke enziwa kwaNongoma umsolwa wesibili.
My Lord, yesterday, because I didn't want to raise this point until I'm sure of what has been said here, I've revisited this record of the 11th of October 2023 and the specific line that has been repeated ad nauseum and put to the witness. My reading of that, and I know what I was engaging the court on that specific day. It was not even evidence under oath. It was something that I was putting on record why we need the records for the bank statements for Mr. Ntanzi from Capitec. That line there is no way where I said Mr. Ntanzi went to a branch. I said transactions were done at Nongoma. So the state, if it wants to explore this, must ask Ntanzi what transactions. I've never mentioned somebody going into a bank branch. There's no mention of a bank in that paragraph that is being read by my learned colleague.
Yes, Mr. Baloi. Well, on a proper interpretation of this proposition, this is what it says. But we'll leave it there. You know, it's on record. It's subject to interpretation. Mr. Ntanzi, did you go to the Capitec branch in Nongoma on Saturday, the 25th of October, 2015?
Ngaba waya yini ebhenki kwaNongoma ngomgqibelo wange 25 October 2015?
Ngangisemotweni ngomgqibelo nje.
Wabo?
Ngangihamba ngemoto ngemakhaya.
I was traveling by vehicle going back home on the Saturday.
So you did not go to the Nongoma branch of Capitec on the 25th of October 2014?
Nge 25 October 2014 awuzange uye ebhenki kwaNongoma.
Nge-25 kwaNongoma ngafika ntambama, amabhenki asevaliwe.
On my arrival kwaNongoma on the 25th, it was late Maloto in the evening. The banks were already closed.
Now, if a proposition was to be made that you went inside the branch in Nongoma on Saturday, preceding the 26th, in other words, on the 25th, to apply for a limit increase, what would your response be?
Uma ngabe kungaba nenkulumo ke ethi ngomgqibelo wazo i25 ngomgqibelo wawuphambi kwe26 ukuthi wangena ke ebhenki phakathi kwaNongoma uyokhuphula ke imali yelanga lokho kuthiwa ke ilimit, ungathini kulokho?
Mina Nkosi enkantolo nje engakuphawula kakhulu ngaphawula idate le 25 futhi esimishi kummeli wami kwenzeka imistake ngedate ye25 ngoba nge25 ngakusemgwaqeni mina ngisho kwaNongoma ngisho ngafika late ntambama kakhulu.
What I can comment on, my lord, is the issue of the date. It means that there was just a misunderstanding or a mistake, my lord, with regards to my legal representative on the issue of the date. Because on the 25th, my lord, I was traveling and I arrived back home very late.
Ngoba na lapha futhi abona kubhalana negama longoma lo awukho la ngazi ingoma mina nokwaNongoma manje ungoma lo ayikho indawo ebizwa kanjalo emakhaya.
Even the name here, as it is written, that they were done in Ngoma. There is no place that is called like that. I know Ingoma, which is the dance, as well as kwaNongoma.
Ikhona indawo ethiwa ingome.
Ngome.
Indawo.
There is a name, there is a place referred to as Ngome.
But subsequent to the 25th or the 26th of October 2014, did you go into the branch to apply for a limit increase on your account?
Kodwa ke ingabe phambi kwazo 26 days waya yini noma wangena ngiyini ngaphakathi ebank ukuyokhuphula ke imali yelanga lokho kubizwa ngokuthi yi-limit, daily limit.
We're talking about the branch in Nongoma, sorry.
So, Mr. Jonas, the interpretation is wrong. The question is subsequent to the 25th or 26th, not in between 25 and 26.
I never said in between, sir. I never said in between.
You said before, but the question
Is that in between?
No, you said before, and be corrected. You can't debate this. I'm correcting.
No, I'm debating because you're saying the wrong thing. I never said so. Can you play the tape, Judge?
Yes.
Mr. Baloy, can you play the tape, please?
Oh, okay.
Mr. Baloy, can you rephrase the question for progress, please?
Mr.
So listen, this is very unfair. When I've done this before, my lord, a statement would be made, I would ask the witness, the defense would never have issue with that. And then in between, I've said it on numerous occasions, somewhere, somehow, interpretation will be lost but now for minor things, then someone will just jump up. I've said this, but if the witness goes on and on and on, there's nothing wrong with that.
Well, for the sake of progress, Mr. Jonas, I said you made a mistake, Mr. Advocate Mrs. The question was before the 25-26, did Mr. Ntanzi go to a branch? I mean, subsequent to the 25-26, and he said before. So progress, there's no need getting emotional on this small aspect.
What was the question posed, Mr.
Yes,
Balwe?
we will repeat the question. Now, subsequent to the 25th and the 26th, did you go to the Nongoma branch of Capitec to apply for a limit increase?
Ngaphambi kwazo i25 ne26 ingabe waya yini ebranch yakwaNongoma ukuthi uyokwenza isicelo sokuthi ilimit angithi ngekanga uthi ukhipha imali ethize ne so waya yini ukuthi ukuthi ke leyo mali leyo ayikhushulwe kungabi ile ejwayelekile oyikhiphayo i-daily limit.
Ngomsombuluko mhlambe kwenzeka uma ngathiwa khona i-bank statement sami lapha phambi kwecourt.